Hey, it's Amy Pearson from beingamytheblog.com, and I just wanted to say thank you for signing up for the life-changing magic of self-forgiveness. I am really excited to be teaching this course. It's the very first time I've taught it, so it's brand new material. And the topic is self-forgiveness. So today I just wanted to create this quick little video to give you some tips for preparing for our class, which is on Monday, February 10th at 10 a.m. Pacific, 1 p.m. Eastern. So what I want you to do is I want you to think about people in your world who trigger you. And that really could be anything. I learned about the power of self-forgiveness actually when I was reading the book Little Women. So I'll give you the whole story when we're on the class on Monday. But I was reading Little Women and I was really irritated by the characters. I was named Amy after the character Amy in Little Women. And so I was very irritated because I just couldn't relate to her, and I just didn't want to be like her. As I read, I just continued to find things about her character that continued to annoy me, and not only Amy, but the other sisters. So it's a turn of the century Victorian household full of girls who are becoming women. And the book is really about sort of Victorian values and what makes a proper Victorian woman. And so there was a lot of stuff that kept coming up for me around that. And it brought up my stuff. And what I realized is that by having that, by being triggered in that way, I could learn really valuable things about myself. And so what I want you to do is I want you to be sort of on the lookout for people in your life who trigger you. Maybe it's a character in a book. You don't have to go out and read Little Women, although maybe, no, but maybe there's a character in a book. Maybe there's a character in a movie. It's probably someone in your life. So just to prepare for our class, keep an eye out for people who trigger you. All right, and I'll tell you all about what to do with that information when we talk on Monday. See you then.